Hello, good morning everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn the difference in the meanings of two a bit similar sounding words that are incomparable and uncomparable. Okay? Incomparable versus uncomparable. So sometimes we perhaps get confused and use one word for another while that is not correct. So let us understand the meaning of these two words clearly. So I'm taking first incomparable. When you say incomparable, it means the quality of that particular thing is so high, or the virtue of that particular thing is so high, or whatever that particular thing describes basically is so high that it is matchless. I mean, you can't put any other thing in comparison with that thing. So something which is matchless, unparalleled, that is incomparable. You cannot compare that thing because of its superb quality, nature, or whatever virtue that it describes. So you cannot really match it with something else. So for example, the beauty of Himalayas is incomparable. So you don't want to compare the beauty of Himalayas with something else, because you can't think of beauty beyond what you are saying, that Himalayas are so beautiful that you completely forget about anything else that even comes near in comparison to the beauty of Himalayas. So something which is incomparable means matchless, unparalleled in its nature that it describes. Okay, so there is no comparison with that particular thing. The second word is uncomparable. When we say uncomparable, so we are talking about that two things are so different in their basic fundamental virtues or nature that we cannot compare these two things. So that is uncomparable. So it is a lopsided comparison. If we are comparing two things that have different natures or that are not from the same stream of their nature, then that comparison becomes uncomparable. For example, if you ask me the question, who is better, Sachin Tendulkar or Amitabh Bachchan? So this is an example of being uncomparable, because Sachin Tendulkar is a cricketer, Amitabh Bachchan is a film personality. So their basic nature of work is different. So you can't compare these two personalities. So this is a lopsided comparison. So this is how we are going to know the difference.